This is the secret that seamstresses use to thread the needle without making a mistake. As the years go by, it is common to experience a slight decrease in the vision capacity, which makes it difficult to read or sew. However, do not worry, as I am going to teach you an infallible method to thread the needle using only a plastic lid. To begin, you will need a punching object to make a hole in the center of the lid. Then, take a coaxial cable and, with the help of tweezers, cut it to obtain a piece of the appropriate size, as shown on the screen. Coaxial cables are usually thicker than standard cables and have several slots inside. Divide the cable and select one of the slots. Then, remove the part that covers it with the tweezers. Then, pass one of the cable threads through the hole in the plastic lid, following the indications on the screen. Make sure that both ends of the cable protrude from the other side, forming a kind of hook. Use glue to fix the thread to the lid later. Once this is done, your homemade thread threader will be ready to use. To test it, take the needle from the thread roll and thread the needle with the wire thread. Make sure that the needle is at the bottom of the lid. Then, take the end of the thread and pass it through the wire hook. Next, lift the needle and it will be threaded. This ingenious home device will save you time every time you need it, and it will only take you a few seconds to use it. If you made it this far, leave needle emojis so that Osseo knows you saw the full video.